The LOLYKITCH 8.5-10 Inch Tri-ply Stainless Steel Frying Pan set is a great purchase for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking tools. This set includes two versatile skillets, an 8.5-inch and a 10-inch pan, both with lids. The tri-ply stainless steel construction means these pans heat up quickly and evenly, preventing hot spots that can burn your food. Because of this even heating, you can achieve perfectly cooked meals, whether you are searing meat or gently sautéing vegetables. These LOLYKITCH 8.5-10 inch tri-ply stainless steel pans are designed with convenience in mind. They are compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and they are also oven and dishwasher safe. This makes both cooking and cleanup a breeze. The lids fit snugly, helping to trap heat and moisture for more efficient cooking. Furthermore, the sturdy stainless steel components promise durability, so these pans should last for many meals to come. Reviews often highlight the even cooking and easy cleaning as major benefits. If you are viewing options for new cookware, the LOLYKITCH 8.5-10 inch tri-ply stainless steel set offers excellent value. The tri-ply construction, featuring a layer of aluminum sandwiched between stainless steel, ensures good heat distribution, much like a reliable workhorse in the kitchen. While they don't have a rubber handle, the stainless steel handles are designed to stay cool during stovetop use. This set can handle a variety of cooking tasks, and it's a worthwhile addition to any cupboard. For those considering new kitchen initiatives, this pan set is a solid end to the search for reliable frying pans. It helps you tackle everyday cooking without excessive fat, making it a healthier choice too. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the Wadillo non-stick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: 2 pan sizes, 8.5 and 10 inch. Suitable for induction, chef's style pan, part of a pots and pans set, dishwasher safe, oven safe, durable construction, even heating, easy to clean. Cons: requires careful heating, can be harder to clean, might discolor over time, lid may not fit all, handle can get hot, could be heavy for some, price might be a concern, potential for warping features. Set of 2 pans, stainless steel, tri-ply design, includes lids 8.5 inch size 10 inch size. Induction ready, oven safe, dishwasher safe, chef's pan style. This LOLYKITCH set has 2 frying pans made of strong stainless steel with 3 layers for good heat. The set includes an 8.5 inch pan and a 10 inch pan, and the 10 inch one comes with a lid. These pans can be used on all kinds of stoves, even the ones that use magnets. Induction: you can also put them in the oven and the dishwasher to clean them easily. They are designed like the pans chefs use. This LOLYKITCH set has 2 stainless steel frying pans, 8.5 and 10 inches, with a lid for the 10 inch pan. They can be used on all stovetops, even induction, and are oven and dishwasher safe. These chef-style pans are made to heat food evenly and are built to last. Though you need to heat them carefully, they might be a bit tricky to clean and could change color over time. Also, the lid might not fit the smaller pan. The handles can get hot, and the pans might feel heavy or cost more than some others. There's also a chance they could warp.